I don't keep a lot of friends because there are less chances of gossip and less chances of drama. I've seen this happen a lot with women. Like, I don't know what it is with us. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited as always, but welcome back to my channel guys, and welcome to today's video. Now in today's video we are talking about something that is very talked about here on the streets of YouTube. Okay, friendships, but not just friendships. Why I don't keep so many friends. This video is going to be all about why I don't keep a lot of friends, and I have a very strong feeling that a lot of you will probably be in the same boat or ship as I am. So let's just get right into this video. Let's not waste so much time. Let's get right into why I don't keep a lot of friends.
I've been waiting all night.
Number one, I do not keep a lot of friends because, to be honest, the smaller the circle, the better. I don't want a lot of people knowing about me, my life, and all of that. Too many things happening at once with too many people in a very big circle. I have a small circle of friends, and another good thing is that I have friends like not in the same circle. So here in Abuja I have, one or two or three or four ladies that you would always see me mingle with, but then I have, one good friend in the UK, I have one good friend in the US, I have one good friend, so I don't have like, oh, this large big circle of friends and all of us are friends. No, I have friends scattered. I have one or two or three friends who are not in the same circle as my main circle of friends in Abuja. Does that make sense? So I have like this circle and I have that circle. I don't think I find it necessary to bring that one circle and that one circle together to make one big circle. No, I don't. I keep them as separate circles for different reasons, and I feel like for me, the smaller the circle, the better. Less hassle. I don't keep a lot of friends. Next up, I don't keep a lot of friends because there are less chances of gossip and less chances of drama. If you guys know me, you know I don't like drama. I see drama from a mile away. I take the other route. I hate drama. I hate involving myself in drama or gossip or things that are just meaningless. You will never catch Alma there. So I keep my circle small. I pick my friends or people that I would call more like acquaintances, people that I let into my life a little bit more than other people. Basically, I keep those people just a tiny little bit, few, just small, because I don't like drama. I don't like gossip. Okay, I don't like all those things. I keep very few people close to me. It's for a reason, no? It is for a reason. Next up, and almost kind of related to the last point, there are less chances of betrayals and heartache when you have a smaller circle of friends. And I've seen this happen a lot with women. Like, I don't know what it is with us, but we tend to betray each other a lot and cause each other heartache. All these best friend, my best friend's son can cause heartache. Your best friend can have another best friend. I think I've said it before on this channel. I've had best friends in the past, in my younger years, that had their own best friends, and I was not really their best friend though. Maybe I was just their friend, but they had their own best friends. I don't have strength for heartbreak. I don't have strength for heartache. So I keep my circle small. I don't get too deep with friendships. Like, that's just me. I don't go inside. You guys know how deep friendships can get. That will cause me to be crying. All those things. No. I don't allow my make me cry. I do not allow my friendships get that deep. Deep friendships. I fear it though. The one that will go very deep, that if I do something to you can make you cry. I stay away from it. Let's all just be happy and have a good time, okay? And have fun. We don't have to go inside, deep. I don't have a lot of friends because, to be honest, it gives me less chances of making friends with people who want something from me. Yes, there are people out there that they only want to be friends with you because of what they can get from you, because of what they can gain from you. And I try to avoid that a lot. I can smell it from like 1 million miles away. And if I sense that, oh, you're just trying to get close to me because you want so and so thing from me, or because you think I have this that can do this for you, I rather not. I mean, for me, I feel like a friendship should be based off of, personal interests, similar values, and just genuinely liking somebody. But if it's because of what you can get from me or because of what I can get from you, I don't want it, okay? Let's keep it at a distance. I don't want it, all right? Next up, I don't have a lot of friends because it gives me the chance to actually have a life. I feel like if I have too many friends, I would always need to see a friend every other day or be with a friend every other day. And see, I love my me time. I love my life. I love the little private time that I have to myself to do my own things. I don't want to have to share my days every other day with this friend or that friend. I tend to spend more time with myself. If I'm not meeting up with my friends to create content or just to hang out or talk maybe like once a week, if it's more than once or twice a week, it's too much for me, okay? It's too much for me to handle. So I want to have my own life. I want to be able to prioritize my needs and my family. So I like to keep my circle small, all right? Not too many friends, just a little bit, okay? Next up, and almost kind of similarly related to the last point, I am more in tune with myself. You know, I have time to spend with myself. I have time to discover myself more. I have time to know myself better. Not necessarily what somebody else tells me about myself. Does that make any sense? So yes, I am more in tune with myself when I have a smaller circle of friends. And then last but not least, I don't have to live up to so many people's expectations of me. Like, leave me to deal with the small circle of friends I have. If it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people that, you know, expect a certain kind of thing from me, I can deal with that. But when there are too many, when they are too much, I cannot deal. I begin to fear, all right? I love it when my friends love me for me. I love it when my friends do not expect me to be a certain way. They just love me for who I am and, you know, love me for me. And for me, I'm fine with that. All right, so with that, we've come to the end of this video. I know this was somehow short. This was more like a short video, but I just had this idea pop into my head and I wanted to make a video about it. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys don't know, I also make short form content of my YouTube content on Instagram. So like this video, for instance, it has its Instagram version that would also be on my Instagram page. So go check that out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up, share this video. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.